Hey guys, it's Dion from DimusTech, and today we're checking the FixIts. Now the FixIts are basically, as it writes, moldable eco-plastic fixing sticks. And it was a Kickstarter that succeeded, and I backed it up. Now this pack of 3 costed me about, I think, $7 or something like that. And what basically it does, you put it in hot water and then you can mold it into something in order to fix something made of plastic that you have, or to mold it into, like, for example, a phone stand or something like that. So first of all, I must say that the package looks much smaller than I thought it would be, but that's what it is. Anyway, let's open it up. And actually I think it was about to arrive in September, October or something like that. So yeah, it arrived a little bit later, but that's okay, I guess. And we have 3 sticks, a white one, a black one, and an orange one. So I love orange, and that's why we're not going to use that today. I think we'll use the white because you probably can see it best on the camera. So it's kind of flexible. It feels like plastic, but I don't know, it feels like soft plastic. I mean, it's not soft or something, but it feels pretty good, I would say. If I will try to bend it, I think I will break it in the end. Actually, we are going to break it. That's one of the things that I want to try. And on the black one, well, I'm not really sure if you can see that, but I pretty much can see what's written here. So basically it says heat, dunk, remove, mold. And that's exactly what you are supposed to do then. And, well, that's what we are going to do. How about we'll try to break it in 2, and then we'll try to actually bring hot water and mold it. Let's see if I can actually break it, I'm not really sure. Oh wow. Wow, that's really elastic. I'm not really sure that you can actually break it. Oh wow. Okay, that was not expected. I wanted to break it and see if we can actually put it together. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can, but... Oh wow. Okay, how about bringing some tools? I'm not really sure if we can cut it with scissors, but maybe? Oh, wow. Okay, so you can actually cut it. Well, yeah. It's a soft plastic, as I said. And we are going to try now to heat one of them and sort of mold into the other one. And probably, you know what, we should probably mold them both together as one, and then we'll try something as a DIY project. So I have brought some really hot water, almost steaming. I hope it won't do anything to the camera lens. Let's put it a little bit flat. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that we can try to dunk one and see what will happen. Now, I'm not really sure for how long do you supposed to keep that. And are you supposed to actually hold it or what? And you know what? I think it's sticky. It's too hot for me to put the whole thing inside. And I'm not really sure how long should it be. Oh wow, it gets really sticky and sort of, well, how should I say, not liquid, but it seems that you can already mold the part there. Yeah, it really looks like it is getting very soft. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, okay. So yeah, for sure you can mold that thing. But it's very hot, so I'm not really sure how can you mold something that hot. Oh, you know what? Wow, it's actually sort of like a gum. Wow, that feels like a gum. Let's try to stick them together again, the 2 pieces. Something like that. Oh, yeah, well, that sticks. Okay, you do have to work it pretty quickly, I guess. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to try to Okay, we did lose some parts here. Okay, so yeah, you should be a little bit careful with that stuff. But okay, we did mold our stick sort of again together. Let's give it a few minutes probably to sort of fix itself and see what we've got. Okay, so it seems that it works really well. Now, don't mind how bad I actually molded, but actually it's already, yeah, it's still a little bit warm, but it's already a plastic and not like that gum that you saw. Maybe it felt actually guilty. Anyway, let's try to break that part. Oh yeah. Okay, so it does still break, but I can feel that it's still hot inside there. So that means that if you'll actually give it enough time, it will be good. Anyway, let me try to... Oh yeah, you cannot... Yeah, it's still hard. It's very hard. I mean, look at it. I cannot... Yeah, okay. That is hard. Okay, let's go ahead and cut it again. It's kind of weird that you actually cut that thing, and I don't recommend to working on something like that. And as you can see actually here, while we are doing that, you can sort of fix your plugs, you can fix things like that, and basically heat water, dunk, remove, mold, that's it. We'll read the small letters later on. Now that material should be good if we'll actually dunk it again now. Not really sure that it's still hot enough. Yeah, it is. Oh wow, that's really hot. I'm not really sure how hot it should be. I think it was written while I'm trying to do that. Let me try to find somewhere. Above 62 degrees Celsius, it's good enough for molding as far as I can understand. And now what we're going to do while I'm dunking it, we'll actually take my electric skateboard remote and try to add here sort of a stick, and we'll see how well it goes or not. Now we'll need just a little bit of plastic, and it's good that I'm using white for that one because it will be easier to see that. Okay, I think that should be enough. Let's first of all stick those two things here, and we will try to take just a little bit and sort of mold it into some, I don't know, wow. Yeah, okay, so let's try to make a small knob like that, and maybe do it a little bit like this. You can see that it's sort of a joystick right now, and it moves. I don't want to move it too much right now, but let's give it a few minutes to cool down and see how well it molded. So sadly, after trying it, and yeah, I think it didn't cool enough, but I tried to remold it again, though the water wasn't hot enough, and as you can see, it doesn't hold up. Now that doesn't mean that it's not good or won't hold, just means that it is not suitable that much for something like that. Again, basically I would call a plastic that melts in about 62 degrees of Celsius. So yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, easier to mold plastic, and that's it. It's actually usable, seriously. It's almost like Sugru, if you've ever seen that, but this one is plastic and it's reusable. Sugru isn't reusable, so that's actually better in my case, I think. So guys, those are FixIts, very cool stuff. I can't wait to actually use it in daily use that you actually need it. It seems pretty good and I kind of like it, I don't know. I didn't really need any knob here. I do like the remote as it is, but maybe if I would need one, I would cut a small hole here so I could insert some of the plastic to mold actually inside, and then it would probably stick. But I'm not going to do that. Anyway, there are lots of different colors. You can find our colors, you can order more. I'll give all the details in the description of this video so you can order them yourselves and try that out as well. Thank you for watching this DimusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one!